Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. Alright, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm on the subscriptions tab here, and there's a short section displaying various short videos. To remove these, first go to your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then, head to the top right and tap on the gear icon to open settings. Next, scroll down to the playback section, tap on it, and here you will find playback in feeds. Turn this option off, which will disable the autoplay feature for videos in your feed. After that, return to your subscriptions tab. Under the shorts section, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the shorts box. Then select hide. You'll need to repeat this step for each short video in the section. This might take a bit of time, as there are usually around 10 to 15 shorts displayed. Simply go through them one by one, tap the three dots, and select hide until they are all removed. Once you've hidden them all, your subscription feed should no longer display the shorts section. And that's it. So that's basically how you can disable YouTube Shorts. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.